my name's Joe from King Services. Today we are at a septic field cleaning here in Headingley. So when we arrived on site, we noticed that the septic tank wasn't draining. They're on a gravity distribution system, so what that means is they don't have a septic pump which pumps the waste from their septic tank to the field. So when we arrived, the waste wasn't gravity draining to that, so that's just caused by a plugged line. So when we arrived, we used the vacuum truck, we pumped down the septic tank and located the gravity distribution port. Then we put the vac hose on the port and used the vacuum truck just to remove all the excess water out. Then we use our jetter on the vacuum truck as well. We run the vac line down the line to clear out any sludge or debris inside the line. After that, the line will start to allow water into the field. At that point, we use our camera and we can just camera the line and confirm what may have caused the issue in the first place and confirm that we do indeed have flow going through the field.